Hello everybody, Nana Mari is back at Best RV with another video representing to you today a unique fifth wheel. This is brand new Sabre 36NL. Look at it guys, it's a very unique unit. A fifth wheel has a back patio in the back. Now, this floor plan is very well known. It has a nice king size bedroom in the front with a king size bed slide, a bathroom in the middle, and then we have a central living with an L-shaped sofa facing the TV with a theater seating. And then in the other section, we have a full kitchen with a big pantry slide out. And you could walk from the kitchen to the patio, or I could walk from the patio through my kitchen to the living room, to the bathroom, to the bed. Now, you can see here, it's really about this way. Look how beautiful this is. I'm standing here in the patio. And I could put my two lounge chairs. I could put my outdoor barbecue here, grilling if I want. I could sit my chairs, have my drink, sit, relax, and enjoy that. And then also, it has a plug here if I decide to put a TV outside. And it has a nice power awning in this side, which cover my patio area. Now, I could walk from this patio straight to my kitchen. And voila, I have a kitchen. Now, why they call it ML? Because Cherokee, they make 16 ML tiny home, where it has a patio in the back with a loft bed. So they took that concept and they put it at the end of this fifth. So if you look at it, you walk from this patio, beautiful kitchen, solid service kitchens, and typical, Sabre sink. It has the three faucets, the waterfall, spray faucet, the cup spray, huge counter space, a nice prep area between the oven and the stove, as well the sink. So you have beautiful prep area, 110 plug, USB plugs, a lot of kitchens. Look, all these cabinets, big convectional oven. So I have two ovens in this room. I have propane oven here, as well electric oven there. And then if you look at it here, you have full 4-door refrigerator, 2 for the freezer, and 2 up. So what I really like about this floor plan is I am sitting here in the kitchen. I'm not bothering my wife or my guests when they are sitting in the living room and watching this humongous 70-inch TV. Look how big this TV. It's bigger than the TV in my house. It's amazing. And then they did it really super modern in the living area. So you have a nice, beautiful, where you could put your feet, sit, relax, enjoy the game or enjoy the movie. Or if you want, you could take this piece off and voila, you have a beautiful eating bench. So I sit here, voila, I could enjoy the eating. And then I could hide this one if I want in my closet in the front, or I could put it off and use it for seating. I could put this bench here. I could have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people sitting on this L-shaped couch. I could sit a couple people or one person. I could sit 4 here. So I could have a big family on this fifth wheel. Now, so you see the separation. I could walk from this door if I want and use my nice, beautiful L-shaped lounge. Across from it, the dinette. I could sit and eat, watch this big TV with a big fireplace. Also, I could walk from the back. So I could walk from the back here if I want to. Now, the advantage for you is you could use this unit as a bunk model. Why? Because they're giving you a big loft in the top. So you have a loft bed in the top where you could sleep 2 people. And you still have the nice theater seating. As you see here, I could push this a bit further. And voila, I could have my theater seating. Oh my God, I need to go to sleep. I'm tired. But you can see the function of this fifth wheel, providing you too many options. You could say a nice living room in the center, a nice kitchen in the back, a nice bedroom suite in the front, or a nice bunk bed in the back. So this is all the features this fifth wheel provided to you. So you walk in from here, you can go to a beautiful king size bedroom suite, and as usual, Sabre provide us with the hideaway headboard. Voila, headboard. Let me fix the pillows so they look nice in the video. And I have a place for my washer and dryer. And as I said, I could use a stackable washer and dryer because I could put the dryers to the left and the washer to the right. 2 AC unit, ceiling fan, power, 2 power awnings, auto leveling, a huge bathroom, has a sink with a medicine cabinet, solid toilet, and the linen closet as separately give us, and a big 16-inch showers with the skylight. So it is unique 36 ml. Why they use the ml? Because the same product, Turkey, they make 16 ml. So they took the back of the 16 ml and they stick it to the back of the unit. By the way, this unit has 4 slide out, and you gotta tell me, now, where's the 4 slide out? Well, guess what? There's 2 here, 1 to the left, 1 to the right. You have the king size bedroom in the front, and then you have this huge pantry. Look how big it is, and it comes even with doors. I mean, this fifth wheel has everything you ask for. I could make it a bunk model. I could make it a rear kitchen. I could make it central living. I could make it party lounge. Has the patio and king bedroom suite in the front. Come to Best RV just to look at the beautiful Sabre 36 ML. And again, take the video, show them the price, because the people, they don't believe. We have it on a price for $69.99. No any hidden fees, no gimmick, and no one could match our price in the state of California. Come grab this one. Also, if you are a fire victim, that's a perfect unit to put on your lot while you're building the house. And we have a delivery service we could offer to you. Call us at Best RV and get the Sabre 36